Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the Health page. Now tap on Devices, and here you should see your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 Pro. Tap on it to select it, and now scroll down, and under the watch faces, you should see some different options like My Faces and stuff like that, and one of the options should be AppGallery. It's possible you're missing this option, and if you are, one possible fix is to reinstall the HUAWEI Health application, and when you're asked to select the service region, select something different than you did before, because it's possible you selected a region that doesn't support this feature. I selected United Kingdom, my bad, and it is working as you can see. So once you see the AppGallery, tap on it, and here we have the list of apps we can install on our watch. Find the application you want, and once you find it, you can tap on Install button, and the application will start installing. As you can see, it says installed now, so we can wake up the screen on our watch, open the menu, and if you open the menu and look for the icon of the app should be here, as you can see, and we can tap on it to open the app. You can also tap on the apps right here on the list to open the info page for them, and you have screenshots how the app looks like and stuff like that. And you can of course tap on the big install button to install the application. Like this. Okay. If you want to see the list of applications you already installed, you can tap on Manager right here, and then tap on Installation Manager. And here you have the list of apps you installed on your watch, and you can uninstall them if you want to, but we're not gonna do that for now, so we're gonna close the app. And that's how you install applications on this watch rather. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.